guess what? We are going there right now. Great. That's the ticket and fingers crossed. Okay guys, so we've already spotted a clown. Oh my god, there's a death fest there. Are you excited over me? So we are gonna go watch Trick or Treat with Sesame Street after King hits Sesame Street. Okay guys, so we've decided to take a quick break and we are going to eat and stuff up before we throw out everything because of us getting scared. But I have no clue what, and then my sister took, I have no clue what. But I don't know why the barista probably hates me because this is what my sister's drink looked like, and this dude is even here, but mine is already in the drink. Like what the hell, what did I do that I deserve this? I also wanted to Snapchat this, but that's sad. But then we've taken 2 mushroom puffs and this is some egg and something. Yeah, see? Yeah, now this actually looks scary. It actually looks scary. But yeah, we're probably going to eat this and then head out. Okay guys, so we're done at Starbucks and we actually missed a show which we were supposed to line up for. And I can hear people screaming. That could only mean one thing, that clowns are following them. Great. But I don't know what are we going to do now. But I don't even know if my voice is audible or not because it's really loud in here. Everything is very loud in here. Well, dude, it looks so good. Oh shit! At the meri awaaz.
Mummy, which looks scary even in the daytime, honestly.
Yeah, and this is the death zone, I suppose. And that last one was death zone, one of the death zones. Okay guys, so we are at the Jurassic Park and it is the dead end. It's scare zone. Do you want to go?
नहीं, यहाँ से अपने snap लेकर वापस आ जाओ बाहर.
तो चलो ना, सारे तो चलो.
सारे चलो.
Tongue Pishach. shit.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god, what the fuck, dude?
तू अलग क्यों हुआ तुझे बोला
तो वो मेरे को फॉलो क्यों कर रहा है? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm still shaking. Guys, I apologize if the footage is a bit shaky because I'm shaky at the moment. So that's why probably the footage is shaky AF. Okay, so we are currently in line for the Puss in Boots ride. I have no clue what the ride is, but we have to sit in those boats or cars, whatever they are, and I guess it just goes up. It just goes really up. But let's see what it is.
We are going That is a big goose, and she thinks we're taking her babies.
Well, that was a good ride. That was actually my first ever roller coaster. I mean, actually not my first ever roller coaster, but like one of the good roller coasters in my life. I don't even know if you guys are able to hear me or even see me, but my voice is gone. Yeah, there are going to be multiple voice cracks. Yeah, my voice is gone as you can see. Next up, we're going into the Scared Shrek show or whatever it is.
Let me just say,
In the
we
land.
never do this. We never do this.
Yeah, but we've been to the last one here before and it was not the scary one, it was the normal one.
Voice is gone.
Yeah, both of our voices are gone and
Your voice.
yeah, I'm having voice cracks, like I'm still going through puberty, but we are here, so I'll stop recording now. Well, this show was a good breather after all of the stuff we did, and
We're going back in.
yeah. Okay guys, so that was for Halloween Horror Nights at Universal Studios Singapore. I hope you guys enjoyed. We did. I'm getting my voice back finally now after a few hours. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button. And this is the Sun on the Mother and Son Co with the Mother signing off. Bye bye.